Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be reading Ruby and Ryley Repair Their Radio, and I'll be asking a few questions that you can ask your child when you're reading this book. If you want to support me, please go to www.adaptingforyou.com to purchase one of my storybooks. Let's get started. Ruby and Ryley Repair Their Radio. Ruby and Ryley wrecked the radio running around the house. Can you point out the letter R for me? We've got two red pandas. They're running around. They've bumped into the coffee table and the radio's on the ground. We've got a rabbit in the portrait. And let's see if we can see him again throughout the book. The wires are ripped, and the rim is cracked. Can you point out a word that has the letter R in it? What's broken? Can you remember from the last page? It's ruined! Should we get rid of it? Asked Ruby. That would be wrong. We should repair it instead, Ryley replied. So, one of the red pandas wants to bury it in a hole to get rid of it, and the other one wants to fix it. Does he want to use a hammer or a wrench? Let me know in the comments below. They race to Ryan the Raven and ask if he can repair it. So they're racing, or what's another word we can use here that starts with an R? If you said running, you would be right. He shakes his head and suggests Rosie the reindeer. Do you guys see the rabbit? They roam over to Rosie, but the reindeer says, I can't fix this, but I can give you a ride to Reese the rooster. Can you point out a word that has the R at the end of the word? So here are the red pandas getting a ride. Do you guys remember the reindeer's name? If you said Rosie, you would be right. Oh, I've got a little friend coming to sit with me. You want to come sit with me? Oh, meow. Oh, meow. You want to sit here? There we go. Reese runs to meet them. He sees the radio and realizes what's wrong. He says, I can't help you. I haven't used the radio in far too long. Connor the horse can help you. He lives across the river. What kind of animal is this? It's not a chicken or a hen. It's a... If you said rooster, you would be right. Ruby and Ryley row across the river. They see Connor raking leaves next to the garden. You see it, Shadow? Do you know what the horse is holding? If you said rake, you would be right. Looks like a round piece is missing, a pear-shaped one too. You're going to have to talk to Tucker the raccoon. That almost rhymed. Do you guys know what animal that is in the picture there? He's gray, they like to eat out of trash cans. It's a... If you said raccoon, you would be right. They look for Tucker, but meet his neighbor, Omar, instead. He went to see the doctor, for he has a terrible fever, the zebra informed them. Do you guys know what kind of animal the doctor is? If you said beaver, you're 100% right. Tucker returns home, and they ask him if he's feeling better. The doctor gave me some syrup and told me to wear a thick sweater. Can you guys tell me, does the word sweater have an R in it? And if it does, is it at the front, the end, or the middle of the word? How can I help you? Tucker asks. They show him the radio and he says, I can have it ready soon, but I have a few errands. Yeah, he does have a few errands, Shadow. And here they are. Do you guys know where you go buy groceries? Did you say grocery store, Shadow? You're 100% right. We'll do them for you. Please repair the radio for us, the red pandas beg. He writes down what he needs and hands them the paper. Can you guys tell me a few things that are on his grocery list? If he said bread or a honey jar, some cereal, carrots, and raspberries, that's totally right. And actually, those are a few things I need on my grocery list. They wait in line behind Boris, the fireman, then thank Mira the parrot for ringing up their items. Can you guys tell me where the sound is in parrot? Is it in the front, the end, or the middle of the word? If you said middle, you're 100% right. Hello, my friend. Coming to visit again? They give Tucker his groceries and thank him for repairing the radio. You should always thank someone when they've done a favor for you. It's very important. They arrive home as the last ray of sun sets behind the forest. Can you tell me where the sound is in the word ray? Is it in the front, the end, or the middle of the word? If you said the front, you would be right. Their mother, Siri the red panda, raises an eyebrow and asks them, "Where have you been?" She was very worried. We broke the radio, Ruby admits. It was almost garbage, Ryley reports. If it wasn't for their friends, the radio wouldn't be working properly again. Here are all of Ruby and Ryley's friends. Let's see if I can name them all. We've got Rosie the reindeer, Reese the rooster, Omar the zebra, Connor the horse, Mira the parrot, Boris the fireman, Tucker the raccoon, and I cannot remember what the raven's name is. If you guys can remember for me, tell me in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time.